Greetings and salutations. Random, not so random thought in this moment, just kind of reflecting on all that has been coming out around Charlie Kirk. There's a lot of different emotions that are coming through for people on all sides of the spectrum, right? And just recognizing that all feelings are valid, right? Whatever feelings are coming up for you, know that your feelings are valid, right? But just allowing whatever it is that you're feeling to guide you to reflect within, right? A lot of these things, these moments, when they happen, they're used as a tool to divide, right? They're used as a tool to push us even further apart, to push us further into our corners of belief, right? Red versus blue, left versus right. Whatever side it is you find yourself on, these moments are used to push you even further to your side, right? The people in power, those behind the scenes pulling strings, however it is that sounds to you, I don't believe I care too much, but those in power that are pulling strings behind the scenes, or even in front stage, right? They have a vested interest in us being divided, right? The people united will never be defeated. That's a truth, right? When people come together, when we recognize our shared goals, motives, desires, we are a force to be reckoned with. But when we allow these distractions to push us further apart, to seed even more division, we're losing the plot, right? We are playing right into their hands. We are doing exactly what it is that they want us to do. Now is not a time to fight each other, right? It's not. And I understand that there's so much that's happening. You look at what's happening, continuing to happen in Palestine, in Sudan, in Congo, and it's upsetting. It's upsetting to see that the news cycle has completely been commandeered by this event, whilst for so long staying silent on things that have been continuously happening for so long, right? That we have been watching online through independent news sources. And it just feels like not enough people are talking about, right? I understand that deeply, right? But now is not a time for us to fight each other. It's a time to recognize that we are being played against each other, right? We are simply pieces on a game board and we're being played, right? They are using our emotions against us, right? They're using these events as a tools to exploit our emotions, to exploit our anger, our sensitivities, to exploit our grief, right? And we have to be aware of that. We have to recognize that. We have to, open our eyes and see that, right? Don't play into it, yeah. I believe that is all in this moment. Just sharing some thoughts. It's a lot. I get it. We are all feeling it. But we're not moving forward by dividing further, right? That's just continuing to set us back and back and back, right? If we want to move forward, if we want to actually create change, we as a people need to come together. We need to unite. We need to be able to have conversations with people that we don't agree with, like if we're continuously blocking off people because they see things differently, because they have different points of view, we're never going to get anywhere, right? We cannot solely stay in our vacuum of belief, right? We have to open up our minds. We have to open up our hearts. We have to be able to have conversations with people that we don't agree with. We have to, It's a necessity, right? That's the only way we're going to move forward. And if you find that that's something that's hard for you to do, then allow that to guide you to reflect within, right? If you're not able to sit across from someone that you are opposed to politically, religiously, whatever it is, right? Whatever values you might not share, recognizing that we have to find a path to common ground, right? We are not each other's enemies. We have just been conditioned to believe that we are, right? But yeah, that is all in this moment. Sending much love.